Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to another plan with me. I'm still in my soft pink KKK personal sized planner, and here's my winter setup. If you want to see that, I have a link up in the right corner where I show you my flip through. And now I am flipping to my weekly view. Here's the inserts from Genweb Designs. And then I have previous weeks that I've also done plan with me's with. So if you want to see me planning and creating these, then once again, there's a link up in the info cards. And here's the current week. It says July in Swedish. Once again, these are old inserts with all the dates and months wrong. But since I covered it all up with stickers anyway, I have decided to use them and not just throw them away. I really just need them for the boxes. This is the kit I'm using this week. It's a gorgeous hollow foiled wintry Happie Scrappie kit. I think this was from like November or December 2019 probably. It's super gorgeous. I mean, I love Sam's stickers and I miss her monthly kits. I always love them. But her cute designs and the gorgeous, foiling and just the awesome quality too. Just lots of cute and pretty things here for sure. And this has been a really wintry week, so I really wanted to kind of resemble that in my planning. So here we go. So as always, I'm starting to white out everything that's wrong, which is all the text, all the numbers, every single thing. I do have to get a little creative sometimes because as you can see, my whiteout is not the same type of white as the paper of my inserts. So if I use very light stickers or very light washi, sometimes, you can see through and you can here, but I decided to not be super perfectionistic about it and kind of go against my instinct to, make it as perfect as I could. I just went with it. I mean, when it's all put together, I don't really think you notice because there's lots of other things to take notice of, I guess, when this spread is finished. Then I take a header to use instead of one of the date covers for the first box, which is always just the notes section, or what I like to think of as a perfect place to put full boxes. Here, because of the whiteout, I wanted to cover up the base here before I place the date covers. So I had this washi from the Advent Simply Gilded box this previous year. Gorgeous, love the silver and hollow foiling with the stardust design, and it had that like minty and some pink in it, and I thought it matched pretty well with the Happie Scrappie kit. So I continue placing those, and I know there's washi peeking out at the bottom, but I'm fixing that once the headers come, you'll see. So yeah, I love when I find washi that matches really well. And if I get a perfect match, then that makes me super happy. I just love matching things with themes and colors and styles, and finding things from different shops that like they didn't come together, that they weren't meant to go together, but they do so well. That is like makes my heart sing. I don't know why, I just love visually pleasing things. So I continue to place the Sunday and Saturday date covers, or Saturday Sunday I should say. Then I decided to go with some Simply Gilded header perforated washi. I have these colors which are perfect, and they were also hollow foiled. I'm bringing in some more of that purple or lilac, and there's lots of little small mistakes in this setup. I don't know, probably maybe I'm the only one to notice, but as a perfectionist, at the time it bothers me. But once again, I realized that when it all comes together, I kind of forget about it. Like here, you see, I mean, you can tell that there's a little bit of see-through in the washi underneath, but because there was a line in the middle of the header washi, I thought it almost looked like it was meant to be that way. I decided not to care about it too much because I just wanted to get this spread done, pretty much. I didn't feel like spending hours planning, and sometimes, honestly, if there's lots of details in a spread, it can take me hours to finish one weekly spread. And I don't like that. So I want to be faster at it, more, I'm trying to be more practical about it and kind of use my time a little bit differently. So either way, here I am placing the date covers or date dots, but in this case they're gorgeous, adorable penguins. I love them so much. I mean, you can't see the numbers too well. They're not like super clear, I guess, because it's not black, it's foiled, but it's gorgeous. And I mean, you have the numbers, so if you want to really know, you can just take a closer look. I mean, these kits are not meant to be super practical. I mean, planning in itself is not really a practical hobby. It's a fun one, and it's a creative one, and it's a happy one. So that's that's what I'm all about. So I used some more of that gorgeous snowflake, perfectly matched Simply Gilded washi to place the weekend banner. So cute with little penguins. I love them so much. And I just love the foiling in this kit. There's so much of it and it's gorgeous. The first full box I decided to use is this super cute peeking penguin in the notes section there. Love that bright mint color that it has too. And then I wanted to cover up the little white space underneath, and I decided to use some deco stickers, these little critters stacked up like that. I thought was really cute. And then I struggled quite a bit. I want to get it centered, and I really should have used my tweezers for this because I tried a couple times and I was never happy about it. See, this is how I get when I let my perfectionistic side take over. I mean, I could have just let it go, but sometimes I just don't want to. So, anybody feel me? I decided to actually use, full boxes for every single day this week. So I don't get a lot of space to write the specific things I did. This was quite a typical week, kind of my weekly routines and habits. Nothing too special happened this week, at least not at the time that I was planning this. So if something comes up, I guess I don't have time. I don't have space to put it, sadly. But I kind of chose one or two things for each day that I could put that were the most significant or that took up most of my time, or just anything that I thought was, worth putting down, I guess. So Monday I had a time at the salon to cut my hair, and then I did some businessy economy, paperwork, boring stuff in the afternoon. Let's see, then on Tuesday I placed another gorgeous full box, and I'm trying to decide what I want to place underneath, or maybe I'm deciding what full box to place on Wednesday next to the other one. Okay, so I decided to place two very similar ones with the snowflakes. I try to alternate, like I had two character designs full boxes at the top, so here I decided to have no characters, just have pretty design. And so it seems like I am deciding on all the full boxes at once to kind of get that out of the way, because I had already decided that I was going to use lots of full boxes because I had so many pretty ones, and the spread becomes really cohesive and pretty as well. And then I wasn't sure how or where I wanted to place the full box on the weekends or the weekend, because I had the weekend banner, so the spacing was a bit different than on the page previously. But either way, these turned out well, and I loved having the penguin one at the top left corner and one at the bottom right. It just looks really fun having them peeking out like that. And then I take the last two of the simple snowflake full boxes in the two different colorways or designs, the same as on the previous page, but like on the opposite side. So I feel like it all kind of balances each other out, and that's I like matchy, but I also like balance, and that's kind of what I'm all going for when I'm planning and matching things, not having too much of the same and not too little as well. So on Tuesday I just mark that's my laundry day, and and then I'm trying to decide what little character I want to use for Wednesday. So I decided to have a little pink peeking penguin. Oh, that's a lot of peas. Pink peeking penguin to mark Worship Wednesday. Super, super cute characters, all of these. And then because I had to, white out something on the Thursday, I wanted to use something that would take up more space so you can't tell the whiteout too much. I hope you can't. And I put in the most boring thing. It was folding the laundry that I, washed a couple days previously. And then I decided to do the same for Friday, but this time I had a really good reason to use a banner. And that was because it's actually my mom's birthday, January 29th. So I'm gonna have to celebrate that, of course. And that was it. I mean, super simple spread. I'm putting them in my planner here. It turns out so pretty. I sadly love it more when my own handwriting is not involved too much. I can just use the pretty stickers. They just look super gorgeous. Love this spread so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and this simple but pretty setup. Lots of credits to Happie Scrappie for creating such gorgeous kits. I miss them and I love them. Either way, thanks for watching again, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.